Hello friends, in today's video I will teach you how to refill the ink in Canon Pixma G1010. Before going to the video, if you are still to my channel, please subscribe below and click to the notification bell. Now let's go to the video. Important. When buy ink, use only the ink for the printer. For that, get color code related to the printer. Let's get the ink dark first. First one cyan, second one magenta, third one yellow, fourth one black. You can buy these colors from the internet or from the computer shop, or you can buy it from Canon official web page. I will post the relevant links below. Buy ink and use genuine ink. You can confirm that it is genuine with this sticker. I am now unboxed the ink bottle. Here are the ink bottles. Next step. You can see the upper level and the lower level of the ink tank like this. When putting ink, do not put ink above the upper level. This is how I put the ink in the tank. Again, use only genuine ink and printer specific ink, or there is a high chance that your print will be damaged. Next, cover the rubber mood well. Now turn on the printer. The work is worthwhile. Next, bottom cleaning, roller cleaning and noise check shall be done. I have already told you how to do them. Those who haven't watched it, I will tell you by leaving the links in description below. So comment below with your questions about today's video. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video.